Welcome everyone. Enjoy the show.
Viva Gaia! Welcome to the Tree of Life Preparatory Theater Wildcast. The Buzz Ready presents their show with Talk to Me Buzz. We'd like to remind everyone that our show contains loud noises, not for special effects, which one has some of yours. Please keep your mouth associated for this information. Your mother wants to finish any food or beverages outside our queues. Please put the name of your next priority. As you make your way slow and spicy, please stay close to those in front of you and keep on together to become separated and different shows. On the PA traveling in a wheelchair LG vehicle, please the pit door and along the end there will be a cast video since you thank you to us very much.
I think you're gonna love this one. Think so?
Come on in, everyone. Don't forget your bug eyes. Leave them down on your way.
All right, guys. Follow me. Go all the way up to his last two book signs that run yellow line. Always show his book signs. Go all the way down. Go all the way down to the two last signs. All the first sign is the book sign. All the way down to the yellow line. Yellow line. All right.
and pollinating. And no chirping. Thank you. And now, put your wings together for the host of our show, everyone's favorite ant, Flick!
Over here.
Up to the right.
Way over here. Way over. A little more. A little more. A little less.
And welcome. Welcome to our show. You know, we've been doing this act for over 300 million years. And with bugs making up more than 80% of the animal world, we're the biggest cast of them all. Still, you guys just don't seem to see us. So, that's why we gave you the special bug eyes. Go ahead, put them on. Neat, huh? Yeah, now you're all honorary bugs. So, on with the show. Okay, thanks, little fella. You're done now.
Huh?
Yeah, thank you. Take it from an ant. It's tough to be a bug. That's why we've developed some amazing survival techniques. For instance, deep in the jungles of South America, there's a bug. Well, technically he's an arachnid, you see. And Shirley, I really hate when you do that. I really don't. I hate.
Oh, I'm sorry, Flick.
Where was I? Yes, Chilean tarantulas, like my friend Chili here, throw poison quills at their enemies with deadly accuracy.
I never miss.
This part's from their face.
Oh! Come on, keep on coming, keep on coming. Chili's on a roll. Hey, what are you guys trying to pull? Watch it. Listen up, my ant. Hold still. My God.
Okay, Dad, we'll notice for it.
You miss. If no one makes a fool of Chili, man, come back here and die like a bug.
Our next guest is a soldier termite who defends his mound by spraying intruders with acid. That's right, acid. Welcome him now. He's buff, he's ready, and he's ruining our set. You know, we have other shows to do.
I am a mean defensive machine. I am the Terminator. Oh no. I detect more intruders.
No, they're not intruders. No, they're honorary bugs.
No. Intruders must be terminated. No exceptions. I need more ammo. I'll be back.
Is everybody all right up there? I hope none of you are allergic to acid. Oh my. Best to move along. All right, our next guest. Let's meet the silent but deadly member of the bug world, the stink bug.
Are we ready, Flick?
All right. Oh, just a second. Let it rip, Claire.
Hey! Stop! Back here, man!
No way! You'll never catch me!
She's gonna blow!
Blow! Who's gonna blow?
Oh, boy.
What are these humans wearing on their heads?
Oh, I made the honorary bugs.
Honorary what? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not true. They're my friends.
Friends? Get this loser out of my sight. Bring in the evidence. Friends don't exterminate friends, do they? Still don't get it? Well then watch this. You humans have always seen us as monsters. If you had it your way, you would destroy us all. But you never will, because we outnumber you 200 million to 1. Maybe it's time you honorary bugs got a taste of your own medicine! What? You're still alive? This means war! Hornets, on your stingers and attack! I'm going in for the thing! You're over your target, Black Widow spider! Jump! Back off, spiders! They're mine. Bug bombs, zappers, sticky little motels. Nothing can stop us. Ha! Nothing!
Bring up the next act. It refuses to come out of his cocoon.
Apologies for coming, huh? Cue the finale! Did I forget to mention reptiles? Well, they just don't seem to care that it's tough to be a bug. But you guys should, because we make your world one honey of a place. We're pollinators! We're pollinators!
If you like vegetables, flowers, if it's with bugs for
If it weren't for the fact that we like the taste, you'd be out there wallowing in sugar highways. Sugar highways.
And if all bugs were wiped on the face of the planet, there'd soon be no humans around here to manage the plastic about us. You can't live without us, still it's tough to be alive.
It's a piece of cake.
And it's holding!
Let's eat.
Well, it still has a few bugs in it, but that's our show. And now that you're all honorary bugs, remember, magnifying glasses are for looking at little things, not for burning little things. See ya! Hey! Hey, little bug! There's your baby. Good bug. Good bug.
Your attention, please. We ask that all honorary bugs remain seated so the beetles, maggots, and cockroaches may exit safely. At this time, gather up your personal belongings and take your small grubs by their grubby little hands as you exit. Thank you.